Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. This is a 636cc inline 4-cylinder super sport, fuel injected, liquid cooled, only 2,300 miles on this gorgeous metallic white Ninja ZX-6R. Frame sliders, amazing sounding Two Brothers exhaust. Wait till you hear that. Tank grips, fender eliminator. The bike is showroom condition. Come on by, save thousands over the price of a new one. Just $82.99. You gotta be kidding me. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock.